I'll be making this easy and absolutely delicious Tres Leches cake. So all you're gonna need is a box of vanilla cake.
You're also going to need some eggs.
Just add your oil. 1 cup of water. And you're just going to blend this up. Okay guys, so now add the rest of your water. So look at the texture, you guys. That was so easy. Now we're gonna place this in a greased dish and put it in the oven. Make sure that you scrape everything out because we don't want to waste any of this batter. While the cake's making, let's make the syrup for the cake. So all you're going to need is a can of evaporated milk. So we're going to pour 1 can in there. Can of condensed milk. Pour that in there. Now you're going to get your heavy whipping cream, or you can use whole milk if you like. And you're going to just fill it up to the line where until it reaches the 4-cup mark. I personally like the heavy whipping cream versus the whole milk, but honestly you can't go wrong with either or. So we're just gonna add also some vanilla. We're gonna add a cap full of vanilla. Okay, so we're gonna make this cake cool for a little bit, and then we're going to be poking some holes in it. All across. Make sure you're poking up holes because what we want is for the liquid milk syrup to just saturate the whole cake and get deep within it, because that's what makes a delicious Tres Leches. We're going to grab our mixture and we're just going to pour all over the cake.
Because as you can see, it just seeps all up in the holes that we just poked.
Take your time with this because we want everything to get all up in the cake.
So this is about 4 cups of milky goodness. Get it all over the cake. And this might seem like a lot of milk, but it really isn't.
Place this in the fridge and we'll be right back.
So now we're going to make our whipped topping. First off, we're going to whip up our whipping cream. So we're just going to whip the whipping cream. Then after it gets to a light texture, we are going to add our powdered sugar. After we add our powdered sugar, and we're going to also add our vanilla extract, just about a capful. We're going to mix everything up until it gets to a stiff peak. Spread the whipped cream all over the cooled cake. And place this in the fridge for about 12 hours. But if you're short on time, I say at least 1 to 2 hours. And enjoy. This cake is super moist, super delicious, and it is to die for. So I hope you liked this video, and for more recipes, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and stay tuned. Bye.